This is Merville Myers, your blogger from Alma Grove. As I continue to chart the systematic discrimination of Merville, Ione, Ratty Myers Tomlinson, 63 plus years old, and Arnold Ebenezer Tomlinson, 99 plus years old. I will quote the Equality Act 2010 protected characteristics, and I'll do these in short. What you see here on the bed is the result of the systematic discrimination. When yesterday I was called again by PC Edward Allen, who had called previously on a Sunday. This is my husband and I slowly being tortured to death. Yes? Slowly being tortured to death. When I did not become 1 in 5 of all suicides are associated with unemployment in the HCT Group Impact Report 2016, my husband and I are now 600,000 older people in the UK say they leave their home once a week or less.